At Thai-Asia P.E. Pipe, we've been operating for over 40 years. We have always had one goal, to be the #1 manufacturing facility for high-quality HDPE pipes and fittings. Quality has always been our priority, which is why it is so important for us to invest in the right machines, in the right tools to make sure that all our products are manufactured according to the standard. The CENTERWAVE 6000 is the latest innovation from SIKORA to ensure the consistency in our production. It helps us not only to be able to control the dimension of our pipes better, but it also helps us save more material waste, save more energy in our production. The reason why we decided to invest in the CENTERWAVE 6000 is that to make sure that the consistency of the production remains the same throughout the production line. So for example, if an HDPE pipe is manufactured at 50 meter long, the thickness, the ovality, should always be consistent from meter 1 to the meter 15. And if something goes wrong, it is able to tell us much earlier than the traditional way that we used to do before.
The CENTERWAVE 6000 measures plastic pipe early in the extrusion process, right after the first vacuum tank, without any presettings required. With a rotating transceiver synchronized to the production line speed, measuring in an overlapping helix pattern, providing 100% coverage along the pipe's length and circumference. This creates precise map of the inner profile, allowing you to spot issues like sagging and determine minimum and maximum wall thickness around the pipe circumference. The 360-degree measurement determines the minimum wall thickness. Combining with the control of the extrusion line, it ensures consistent pipe quality, minimizes material overuse, and enhances automation. And the best part, the system pays for itself in under 1 year. At SIKORA, technology to perfection drives everything we do. SIKORA integrates innovative functions, offering features that lead the industry and set new standards. Just a single push on the button is all it takes to start the precise real-time measurement and monitoring processes. And finally, the continuous quality control and documentation ensures seamless tracking of your production processes.
SIKORA has been within the industry for over 50 years now. We strongly believe that SIKORA is the perfect provider of the machines that will support our manufacturing philosophy. And with SIKORA machines, especially the CENTERWAVE 6000, will strongly help us to control the quality of our products, to be more consistent in our productivity. And then later on, it helps us to provide the perfect reports to our clients.